Let's start.
Okay, sir.
So, can you describe about yourself?
Yes, sir, my name is Subhra Roy, and I'm basically from Odisha, but currently staying in Bangalore. Coming to my qualification, I did my graduation in computer science from Cambridge College of Engineering Technology. After my graduation, I have also completed 6 months of training in Java from ABC Institute, Bangalore. Coming to my family background, there are only 3 members in our family. My mother and my brother and me. And my strength are I'm self-motivated and hard worker. And public speaking is my weakness. My short-term goal is to get a job in a software company like yours, and my long-term goal is to achieve a good position in that company that I can build my career and help the organization too. My hobbies are listening music and paper drawing and sometimes cooking, because I like cooking very much, and that's all about me.
Okay, fine. So you have trained in Java, right?
Yes.
So can you tell me what is a class?
Yes, sir. Class is basically a blueprint of an object, and it is not physically present. It is a logical entity which doesn't occur any state in the memory.
Okay. So do you know about OOPS concepts in Java?
Yes, sir.
So can you please explain?
Yes, sir. There are four OOPS concepts in Java: encapsulation, abstraction, and polymorphism, and last one is inheritance. Encapsulation means protecting the most important element of a class, by preventing direct access and giving control access. Prevention of direct access can be achieved by making use of private keywords, and control access can be achieved by making use of setter and getter method. Yeah. For example, if the insert variable is there, name, string name, then we can make that private string name. Then the direct access is prevented. So by making use of get name and set name, we can get the name and set the name. Okay. And for abstraction means hiding the implementation and showing only the features or functionality of an application. That can be achieved by 2 ways. One is abstract class, by making use of abstract class, and another thing is making use of interface. Abstract class is a class where at least one abstract method is there.
Okay.
Then the polymorphism. Poly means many, and morph means God. Polymorphism is basically used for code reusability in Java, and there are 2 types of polymorphism: compile time polymorphism, and another one is runtime polymorphism. Compile time polymorphism, also known as method overloading, and runtime polymorphism is also known as method overriding. Method overriding means 2 or more methods having same name but different parameter and different parameter order inside a same class or within a same class is known as method overloading. And method overriding means 2 methods having same name, same parameter and same order, but in different class, like for parent-child relationship. Yes. And there is an example of method overloading. Like there are 3 methods in a class. Let's suppose there are 4 methods. One is accepting integer, and another form method is accepting integer and float, and other one is accepting float and float. And when you pass like integer value 10 and 10, in the method having integer and integer will accept, will call and execute like that. But when input value like one integer and another is float value, then the sum method having the integer and the float value will be called and give the execute or give the answer like that.
Yes, correct.
And there is an example for method overriding also. Like the equals method in string is a good example of method overriding. That means string class parent class is the object, but then equals method in object is used for referencing comparison. But in string, equals method is used for content comparison. And another and last one is inheritance. Inheritance means child file relationship. But child file relationship means acquiring one class property and the data code into another. Inheritance can be achieved by using of extend keyword in Java. And there are 5 types of inheritance in Java, but 5 types of inheritance, but Java supports only 4 of them. But because of multiple inheritance is not supported by Java, but because of ambiguity problem in compiler completion. Compiler completion is a child class extend to parent class. If the method is a M1 method, if there are 2 methods, if both M1 method is present in parent 1 and parent 2, then if you call by making with the child class, then if you compiler to get confused to which child method is called. That's why we are not using
Okay. So do you know why main method is static in Java?
These are to share because static is used to share all over the classes, so all over the packages. That's it. If you make main method static, then main method can be visible to all. Okay. So do you have any idea on the access specifiers in Java? Yes, sir. There are 4 access specifiers: default, public, protected, and private.
Okay. Can you explain
Yes, sir. Public, in case of public can be accessed from anywhere or any package. Means outside of package, we can also access the public. Then comes protected. Protected means same class and the class subclasses like that. And default means same package only. And private means only in the same class, not in the subclass, not outside of the package.
Okay. Do you know how many types of loops are there in Java?
Loops?
Yeah.
There's 3 loops. One is while loop, and there is another one is do while, and another one is for loop. And after that, there is a loop comes later, is for each loop, I think.
Okay. So can you tell me in what all places we can use final keyword?
Final keyword basically used for constant, making constant. Means a variable can be in a variable we can use, and a class also can use, and method we can use. And if we declare a variable as a constant, then that the value of the variable cannot be changed anywhere. It is constant. If a class is declared as a final, then we can't inherit. Means we can extend that class. Means we cannot form a type of that. And if a method is declared as final, then we cannot override that method.
Okay. So do you have any idea on exceptions?
Yes, sir, exception.
What is an exception?
Yes, sir. An unwanted, unexpected event that disturbs the normal flow of the program. Means it, yes, sir. That's.
Okay, like how many types of exceptions are there?
There are two types of exception, but error is there, but error is considered as the unchecked exception. That is checked exception or non-checked exception.
Okay. Fine. Okay, can a main method in Java return anything?
No, sir. The main method in Java doesn't return anything.
Why?
I think I don't know in particular such main method. I know that main method doesn't return anything.
Okay, fine.
Main method, sir, I have a explanation, but I don't know that correct or not.
Okay.
The main method is the first thing that calls. So I don't think it has to return anything to anything.
Okay, fine.
It doesn't need anything in return. Yes.
So can we what can I select us? Okay, we cannot write a code now, right? Fine. You have hands-on experience, right?
Hands-on? No, I don't have.
I'm
a fresher.
you're fresher only, but you don't know like how to write any simple code also.
I know.
You know, right? Fine. So, do you know anything like try, catch, and finally?
Yes, sir. I know all of the exceptions.
What is that? Can you explain?
Yeah, inside the try block, we write the code with a risky. Means we think that may be called exception. That risky code we should put in the try block. And the catch block we will use the handling code. If error occurs, exception arise, then first should be the handling code for that. That type of code we will say inside the try block, catch block. And final block we should write like cleanup code, like closing the database connection, like that code. Whether exception arise or rise or not rise, the handler not, but finally will always execute. There is only one way. Finally, method not execute by by calling system.exit. Enter that we can introduce 0.
Oh, so is it a mandatory thing that for every try block there should be a catch block?
Yes. Try with catch is mandatory.
Oh.
Because without catch block there is why should we write try block?
Okay, fine. Okay, do you have idea on collection?
Collection, but in a fresher level I have knowledge.
Okay, whatever you have you can say.
Yes, there is 9 key interfaces in collection. Collection is basically used for collection. Whenever you want to represent a group of individual objects as a single entity, then we should go for collection. And say to overcome the limitation of array. There are 9 key interfaces in collection, and there is collection, set, list, and sorted set, navigable set, and map, sorted map, and navigable map. And the implementation class of list is linked list, array list, and stack and vector.
Okay, fine. So, do you know in which scenario we can use array list?
When the require operation is when you retrieval purpose.
Sorry, can you repeat?
In retrieval purpose, we use array list. Because it is best suited for retrieval purpose. Because it implements random access interface.
Okay.
Random access means yes, sir?
Okay. Hey, continue.
random access means accessing anywhere from the list within the same time. Okay?
Oh.
We are accessing the one fourth element also. It will get in same time only.
Okay. Do you know like what is the superclass of all the classes?
Yes, sir. Object is the superclass of all classes.
So-
all classes in Java.
Does object has any methods in it?
Yes, sir. It has 11 method in it.
Can you name it? A few at least. Not all, at least few.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. There is the wait, notify, notifiable. Then there is another tab equals that said in string like that, sir. And like this, I cannot read for all.
Okay, fine, no problem. Can we write a code like from a constructor? Can we call any other method of the class?
Method from the constructor only you can construct use the super method to call the parent class constructor only.
So we cannot call method using in the constructor.
First, I don't know.
No, just give it a try at least. So there is a constructor and I am calling him.
Construct method. So I know that super method is the first line of the constructor, but I don't know really I can call method or not.
Okay, fine. So do you know about serialization, deserialization?
No, sir, I don't know.
Okay, no problem, fine. Threads, about threads, you know?
Yes, sir, yes, sir.
So can you tell me various states of the thread?
State? Yes, sir. First, when you create an object of this like a class is my thread, it means class we are making a new object of that. My thread is equal to new thread. And when you write that line of code, there is a thread new block here. Then when you call the thread, means making use of t.start method, then the thread will start and it goes to runnable state. And after that, when threads to the schedule for the thread or keeps the processor for that, then the thread will be going to running state. And after the completion of thread, then it will be dead. And before that, if you are calling any method like please and wait or anything like that, then it will go to waiting state or blocking state like that.
Okay, so do you know like Java is platform independent?
Yes, sir.
So why Java?
Because of bytecode, sir.
Okay, can you explain some more thing on that?
Sir, whenever you know that Java is a platform independent because of bytecode. Bytecode are shared with the.
What is bytecode?
Bytecode means intermediate level of code, means pseudo code, I think. Not pseudo code. Means
so whenever we write a code, right? When we write a code, so when we compile, what will happen?
sir, first Java C.
Sorry.
I don't get it, sir.
So I have written a program to print hello world.
Okay.
So how should I run that program? It is in a.java class.
Then first we should compile that. Then
how do you compile?
By making use of class loader, I think.
Okay. Do you know the command to compile the Java class?
Java class, Java C, then class name dot Java.
What will it do?
It will compile the code.
Okay, after compiling, what will happen?
After compile, execution is done.
No.
Java.
No, execution will start only when we pass one more command, right? Java hyphen class name again.
Okay.
So a dot class file will get generated, right?
Dot class file. Yes, sir.
When we compile.
The use of JVM, I think JVM will compile.
Yeah, JVM only will compile. Compiler inside JVM will compile, but still a dot class will get generated or not?
Yes, a dot class file will be generated.
Okay, fine. So can we have any methods inside interface?
Method, yes, sir. Always public static to hyphen.
Inside interface?
Interface, there is only abstract method.
Sorry?
Abstract method are there in interface.
Okay. So what is the latest version of Java, you know?
The latest is 14, I think.
Okay. You know
No,
the...
I know only 1.8.
1.8.
Because I am using 1.8.
Okay, fine. So any features of 1.8, you know that?
Yes, sir. There are new features like we can use the default and static method in interface, and lambda access is there, and another unit function in interface.
Okay. So when I asked you, like, when we use methods inside interface or not, you said only abstract methods only we can use, right?
Because till 1.7 we can use.
Yes.
Sorry, sir.
No, not a problem. But you should handle it. Fine, no problem. So, do you know what is infinite loop?
Yes, sir. Infinite loop. I can make an infinite loop. Like always true. So if the condition like always true, then it will run forever. Infinite to make an infinite loop. Just like for int I equal to 0, then if you do not consider do not give the condition, means like blank only.
Okay.
Then after I plus, then it will create an infinite loop.
So when will it stop?
When JVM shut down, or to explicitly call exit or something like that.
Okay. Serialization, you don't know that. We should have done the video call here. I would have asked you to write some code. Chalo, koi baat nahi, you are doing good only.
Sir, at that time I got lost connection.
But have good internet connection when you are having your actual interviews.
Yes, sir. Okay. Yes, sir.
Do you know why string is immutable?
Sir?
Why string is immutable?
String is immutable because clear as final, I think.
Do you know what is immutable?
Yes, sir. Immutable means not changeable. Like that.
So do you know how to create such classes?
Create a class immutable. Yes, sir. By making with the final one. Yes, sir. If you make a class as final, then public final, then so the same object can be same. As you know that finally used for constant only. If only one object there, then by making the final, the object is the object cannot be changed. You cannot change the object value.
Okay, no problem. Do you know what is singleton?
Yes, sir. I know that one instance for application.
Okay, fine. So you have experience in SQL? Any experience?
No, sir.
Okay, fine, no problem. So that's it from mine. It was nice talking to you. So I'll share the feedback in the mail. Fine?
Okay, sir.
Sure.
Okay, sir.
Bye.
Bye, sir. Thank you.
Thank you.